What's up guys, so the next generation of foldable phones are coming and it's time for the traditional flagship smartphones to step aside. Samsung is an innovative company and they know they have done it all when it comes to a traditional smartphone design. We're still getting a pretty feature-packed Galaxy S21 series, but it's coming earlier than usual to make way for the Galaxy Z series because Samsung is about to make the Z lineup the star of the show. And the first phone in the Z lineup is the Galaxy Z Flip 3. It's coming with some incredible upgrades, making it the real deal. According to a report from South Korea, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 will bring some huge improvements compared to the previous model. One of the first improvements on the table is a 120Hz refresh rate. For the first time, 120Hz refresh rate display is coming to a clamshell foldable phone. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 will have noticeably slimmer bezels than the original generation, making it more bezel-less and futuristic. We'll see a slimmer punch hole design, a better, more advanced ultra-thin glass that will improve the durability, triple camera setup on the back which is likely to be similar as the Galaxy S21 Plus, and we can also see a 2 times larger outer cover display. Now the upgrades don't end there. The Z Flip 3 will be coming with the latest processor. Samsung has always stick with Snapdragon processors when it comes to the Galaxy Z foldable lineup, but since Exynos 2100 is looking to be stronger than Qualcomm 875, we might actually see Exynos processor for the first time on the foldable phones. According to a report from South Korea, the Z Flip 3 could get announced after the first quarter of 2021, which means we could see this sometime in the month of April. Now before we talk about the crazy neon artificial human project that is actually coming to Samsung smartphones, I want to give a massive shout out to sponsor of today's video, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform with thousands of classes for people looking to learn new skills. Most classes are under 60 minutes with short and concise lessons, with members having unlimited access. Now I personally edit my videos on Final Cut Pro, but I also wanted to learn Adobe Premiere Pro, and that's where Skillshare helped me. I tried out the essential training course for Adobe Premiere Pro. It's a solid course if you want to learn video editing from scratch. So there are thousands of other classes, so the possibilities with Skillshare are endless. So get out there and start learning. The first 1,000 people to use my special link in the description will get trial of premium Skillshare absolutely free. So be sure to check out the link in the description and kickstart your creativity. Okay, so Neon is an artificial human project that was showcased on CES 2020. It's all being done under Samsung's vision, and we talked about this then, and now this is actually coming to Galaxy smartphones pretty soon. Very soon, you could have a virtual friend living in your phone that's a little more personal than just a normal assistant. The Neon AI human beings are really smart and they can be anything you want. You can make them actor, doctor, lawyer, pretty much whatever you want them to be. I think Samsung can do very interesting things with this. Imagine talking to Bixby where you can see Bixby's face and interact with her, tell her how your day was. I mean, that sounds kind of creepy, but it also reminds me of that movie, Her. Imagine falling in love with the assistant on your phone. That'd be even more crazier, but let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Whether you like it or not, in Samsung's thinking, foldable phones are the future. The sales are getting better and better each year, which is why it makes sense for them to go ahead and take the big risk. So drop your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.